Hello and welcome to another MikeBit review. Today I'll be reviewing the fokoos Odin 5F3. First, I would like to thank everyone at fokoos that made this opportunity possible. The build area is 235 x 235 x 250 mm. Printing accuracy of 0.1 mm and a printing speed of 300 mm per second. The max temp of the build plate is 120 degrees and the max temp of the nozzle is 260 degrees. Taking everything out of the box and seeing everything laid out reminded me of opening something from Apple. Everything was packed neatly in labeled boxes. It is a really simple process to get up and printing. All that was needed was to lift the Z-axis and screw in the 4 bolts. Plug in the 2 ribbon cables. Also, if it's needed, the spool holder attaches with 2 T-nuts and bolts to the top of the printer. Leveling the build plate was just as easy. All that's needed is a piece of paper and about 2 minutes. So from opening the box I was printing in less than 10 minutes. The first print was a calibration cube, which came out very good. The sides are straight and smooth, which is impressive for a first print on a new 3D printer. The second print came from the micro SD card that came with the printer and was the male owl. I tried a different brand of PLA filament. I kept the settings the same as the test cube and it came out great. The layers lines are hardly noticeable. Print was from Printables. The link is below this. This has become my new favorite test print. It always prints great on any 3D printer. I used a Silk PLA for a change, and this printer handled it perfectly well. It printed all the small details with not many mistakes. Now to the pros and cons for someone's first 3D printer. This price produces great prints and only needs the minimum of building and setup. The only con I could find was the time it took to heat up and start printing, but I'm sure this could be easily resolved with a firmware update. Thank you for watching this review. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and press that like button. So bye for now, and I hope to see you next time for some more MikeBit 3D printing.